all I can do for myself is just like go out to nature as often as I can. Just go out to nature, go out to nature, go out to nature. The moment I start getting to interact with my phone, I get depressed again and anxious and just disappointed, heartbroken. I interact with my friends and they all have sad stories. I turn on the news and it's really sad or brutal or gross or barbaric or like 1900s stories. And the future is never happening. The future is not coming. We're just stuck in the same old loop of history, repeating the shit we swore that we wouldn't repeat. I can't do my work. I mean, I can, but I just keep thinking, what's the point of it? What's the point of it? You know, I just want to come up with a fix that will work, and then I want to tell everyone about that fix, and that's all I want to do with the rest of my time. But the idea that I have to reach so many people is overwhelming. I just wish there were not that many of us, and not that many of us speaking to ourselves as I am at once. I wish that there was a way to get everybody's attention for 10 minutes. And then I would give my attention to whoever listens. And if that's huge numbers of people, I would have to spend the rest of my life listening to other people and taking a vow of silence, and that would be worth it. If I see one more goddamn angry, vengeful male decapitate or cut or rape or shoot yet another equally vengeful male or female, I will just lose my brain. I don't want my brain anyway. I just want to be nature. I just want to be like a body that feels things in nature, away from this suicidal Homo sapiens culture that's in so much decline. But I love it. I love our culture, our people, who we have been and who we might still be able to become. And that's what keeps me here, hooked to the feed. I don't know for how much longer though.